What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of the Mercedes 560 SEC W126 C126 technically series, and this is going to be me replacing this hood foam, hood insulation, whatever you'd want to call it. I guess it's kind of a common issue with these. They get old and saggy, and as you can see here, I mean, this thing's kind of ready to go at any second. So I'm going to replace it, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to tear this down. The underside of this, as you can see, is filthy. As soon as I pop the hood, it was pretty freaking disgusting under there, along with the whole engine bay as well. I'll do a whole video cleaning the engine bay out. Today, I'm just gonna take off this hood foam insulation thing, rip it down. I'm assuming it's just gonna be as simple as spraying the adhesive. Oh, let me show you. According to the forums, this is what you're supposed to get. It is a 3M yellow super trim adhesive. I'll link it down below. You can get it on Amazon. I went to AutoZone and got it though. So you might have an AutoZone near you that has, I think it's like 20, 25 bucks. So it is a little bit expensive for this can, but 25 bucks plus the hood foam. I'll link that down below where I got that. I think I got it on eBay, I believe. I'm not sure. It's over there. It's brand new. But I'm going to rip this one out, clean out the whole underside of the hood, and then we'll be back. Actually, I'm going to show you me pulling it off. Might be kind of cool. I don't know. Boom, done. As you can see, filthy. Gonna clean it. All right, guys, so I cleaned it, and then I went a step further and I painted it, and I used some primer, sanded it down like once or twice, kind of small passes, nothing super crazy. As you can tell, it's not the best paint job, but it's something that's gonna be underneath the heat shield so nobody's ever gonna see it. I use this VHT engine enamel, which is a 550 Fahrenheit, whatever. I don't know how hot it's gonna get up there. I don't assume I'll need this, but to be safe, I'd rather be safe than sorry if I'm gonna be putting something close to the engine like that. So, I don't know if this is a cardinal sin, if there's a Mercedes purist out there that's ripping their fucking eyeballs out right now. I don't know. I just thought it would look better than what it did, and I think it does. Although it's definitely not a good paint job, but it's gonna be covered up by the foam, the hood foam, the hood insulation. Also, here's a little clip of the two separate insulations, one on top of the other. You can tell that they are, as far as like dimensions, cutouts, indentations, pretty much identical. The only thing that's gonna look different is one is a really old faded brown or whatever, and I'm colorblind as crap. I think the one's like a newer looking brown. I don't know, I think they're both brown. They look brown to me, but anyways, let's get to installing it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that 3M, this stuff right here, yellow super trim adhesive. Again, I'll link this down below. I'm gonna put a spray down each one of these four lateral hood bars, hood support bars, lateral bars. I don't know what these would be called. Put a strip down each one of these, one in the middle of this, one big one in the middle here, then one over here, and one there, and one there. So like basically fill stripes down the hood. And then I'll put one kind of thin up there and maybe something at the bottom. I don't know if I need it or not. I don't know. But anyways, let's get to doing that. Okay. It's a pretty, I guess, controllable. Like I could do a thin line like that. I don't need to move this up. I put the old hood pad underneath to catch any drips of stuff. I'm dripping adhesive onto me. Oh wait, that's the new hood pad. God dang it. I guess it doesn't matter. I'm just kind of freestyling it here. Do a little bit on the bottom. And do a strip up top. Like that. That should be good, hopefully, right? Oh, look, it's holding by itself. Wow, okay. Very cool. Screw you, gravity. You know? Screw gravity to frickin' heck, excuse my language. Look at that. I'm a genius. I did that all by myself. I feel like that could go underneath there or something maybe. Does it tuck underneath? I think maybe it might. I don't know, maybe not. I don't know if it tucks underneath. I have to look at the old footage to see. There's a few parts that aren't sticking perfectly, but all in all, it seems to be holding very well. Should probably put some under these edges, like right directly on it. like that. And then this top edge here. And boom, it's a Christmas miracle, except it's not Christmas. All right, so that was actually very straightforward and very easy. Probably doesn't deserve a whole video on YouTube, but I'm gonna upload it and edit it and upload it anyways. But anyways, guys, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.